Associated Skincare Professionals, or ASCP, is the only all-encompassing source for licensed estheticians, and our association member benefits empower you to reach your goals and push the boundaries on your career. ASCP goes beyond liability insurance, providing innovative business solutions, quality education, and career planning resources to empower you to thrive. You'll love our member benefits tailored to estheticians, from the inspiring ASCP Skin Deep magazine and Esty Talk podcast to our career toolkits, Skin Pro Second Opinion Skin Analysis app, free online scheduling with Pocket Suite, and more. Join thousands of fellow estheticians in the ASCP community and let us give you the career tools, modern techniques, and expert advice to help you blow past your goals. Learn more or join today at ascpskincare.com.